Hi everybody, what's going on? Welcome to all of you. My this video lecture is related to GK books and today we will meet some fruits. So come and let's learn about fruit. Let's talk about fruit. What is your favorite? Which one fruit is your favorite? So come and let's see. Here we go. You can see some fruits are here. Apple, grapes. This one is grapes. Strawberry, lemon. This one is lemon. Peach, banana. You can see banana, orange. This one is orange, pear, and one more is for you, cherry. Here are some fruit, pineapple. Now let's see on your book page number. Here you can see some fruit are given. Apple, banana, grapes, orange, mango, guava, papaya, cherry and pear. So look at these fruits, say their names, trace their names, learn the spelling. Okay. Let's open your next page. That one is for 141. Here your topic is I can draw fruit. So you have to draw these fruit on your rough pages, on your activity book, notebook, whichever you have. So you have to listen it carefully, say their names and read it with me. First one is fig, pineapple, strawberry, plum, watermelon, olive. And I am giving you one activity. You have to take a chart paper and you have to draw some fruits there. Okay? Take care of yourself. Goodbye.